Hey everyone, it's Camian Larson, home design and renovation coach here in beautiful Oregon City, Oregon. Today was fun. I got to meet with a new person who is a rock star in the social media world in Oregon City, and she's a mom, business owner. She really knows her stuff. So that was exciting and fun, and we got to have a good conversation. One of the things she wanted to know about me and learn a little bit more about me is what drives me. And so I told her a bit about what I'm passionate about. And what I am doing right now is taking the experience, the history, the 20 years that I have in this, and really my whole lifetime, because I grew up on a job site. My dad was a builder, and that's all I've ever known is being on building sites. I went to art school, I have a creative streak, but I was also a builder. So I have this unique combination of having building experience from a young age, being a woman in the space. There's not a lot of us in my experience anyway. And then also being really creative and being able to visualize and bring elements together and really be able to see a project and the interconnectedness and knowing materials. So I get to bring that experience to my customers, and I really strongly believe in getting a good value for your money and spending it wisely. And I think there's a lot of fear that you won't make the right decisions, whether it's hiring contractors, whether it's shopping, using the right materials, how much you're spending, what your expectations are in terms of timelines. There's all these different facets. Building is complicated, and sometimes you just need a guide. You maybe have a really good idea what you want and how you want your space to feel, but you don't know how to get there. Well, that's where I come in. I want people to know that they can hire me as a passionate person who really knows her stuff to get you through the building process. Let's design that concept, right? Let's come up with what excites you and what feels good and what you really need for your family. And then we're going to figure out what those materials are, how much money is realistic to expect, and really try and find someone who's a good fit for you if you want my help with that, if you want shopping, if you want budgeting, really anything from concept to completion. With your home building project, I'm your gal. I will help you through it. I will always be your advocate and your liaison, and I'll get you through it. And we're going to have fun, and you're going to enjoy it at the end, and you're going to say it was all worth it. I'm so glad I had a guide. So anyway, Oregon City, that's what I'm doing for you. I'm in the area. Anyone in the Portland area, I'd be happy to help you. So give me a call. Discovery calls for the first half hour are free. All right, look at my website to see my phone number or my Facebook page. All right, thanks so much.